Hi folks, welcome. It's Bill here for Bill's Bonsai. Hope you're having a great day. It's about 13th of July, midsummer, here in Edinburgh. Got my coat on, it's freezing. I want to talk about azaleas that I bought. Pictures will be getting put up here, over here somewhere, on the screen. Also last month what I did was prune, deadhead, the azalea that it was absolutely stunning. I'll show you a picture of that as well over here. Azalea that I got from my mum's house. That's a Satsuki Azalea. Beautiful sort of deep pink red flowers. Amazing. I was really impressed by it. Impressed so much that I actually went on eBay and bought myself 3 more azaleas. Now they were labelled as Japanese Azaleas, but they just look like Satsuki Azaleas to me, so that's probably what they are. However, the ones I got was a one white one, one purple one, and one red. And they came from eBay packaged quite well actually. But in the 9cm pot, the pot had a little cellophane bag and a little rubber band around the base of the plant. It wasn't tight, but it was just enough to sort of hold the moisture into the pot and keep everything in place, which I thought was not too bad actually. But it took me a month to actually, for the time I got them to the time I actually potted them up into some Kanuma soil. Hope I pronounced that correct. So I knew that I was getting the azalea, so I prepared myself and got a big bag of Kanuma soil, which is quite a common soil for potting up azaleas in. So what I did was I mixed some of the Kanuma soil with composted bark, which is also slightly acidic, so it should be okay. So I needed to pot them up. So I potted them up into from 9cm pots into 15cm pots with this mixture of Kanuma soil and some composted bark. But as I was splitting them up and breaking the root ball up, which if I didn't break the root ball up, they wouldn't have survived, because they were grown in coconut coir by the looks of it. And if I just put the coconut coir as it came straight out of the pot and into this Kanuma soil, and if I watered it, the water would just go around the actual coconut coir, not actually wetting it, and the roots wouldn't get any water and they would probably just die. So I needed to break it all up, which was quite a tough job, breaking up the roots of these little 3 azalea plants that I got from eBay. And but as I was doing that, so I knew how to break them up and split them so I could separate the roots and get the roots into the soil. So as I did that, I discovered that each one actually wasn't just one plant but 2 plants. So you see the 3 plants, I've got 6. But I'd only prepared 3 larger pots, so there was one sort of bigger one and one little one, and I'll show you the pictures here. So I was really delighted, and the reason I got them was I was just so happy about the azalea that I got from my mum, and I thought, really, this is a really nice plant, so I thought I'd get myself some more Satsuki Azaleas. So like I say, I bought them last month, June, and they sat there for a while without me doing anything. So yeah, so they're in the greenhouse behind me right there. I think if I haven't showed you them already, we'll nip in and see how things are going. Okay, let's do that now. Yeah, so here we are, we're in the greenhouse, and these are the azaleas that I've got. I've got this purple one in a 15cm pot. I've got this one over here at the back there, which is the red one, and over there in the back there's another one in a 15cm pot, which is a white one. Now these are the little ones that came with it. So this is the other red one there. So that's a little azalea, and that's the bigger one behind it, which I'm really happy with how it looks. Really happy with it. Oh, almost broke that one. So that one's like a multi-trunk at the back, and that wee smaller one's like a single trunk. And same with that, that's like a multi-trunk, and there's a wee one at the back just there, and that's the other purple one, and that's like a single trunk as well. So it's, and then of course we've got the white one, which is, so really happy with how they are and how they're coming on. So yep, that's the azaleas that I got. Delighted with them. So I'm looking forward to doing some pruning. I'm not sure when I should start pruning them, but just now I just want to make sure that they're going to settle into this, to the repot first before I do anything with them. I think I'll probably just leave them until maybe next year, and then we'll see how we got on with that. So that's the azaleas, a big one and a wee one. Listen, thanks for watching this video, I really appreciate it. Listen, if you like it, give it a like and give it a wee subscribe as well, please. That would be fantastic. And I'll see you in the next video, okay? Catch you soon. Bye bye.